So hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm here to show you simple meeting hacks that you can implement in your business meeting or when you go to a new client or even if you are already going to your customer or your recurring client. I will give you some tips to make the meeting the greatest. So the first thing that is a concept that really changed my mind when I go to clients and when I present my product. I heard this tip from Ty Lopez's podcast, and the tip it's simple. It's that you are Robin and your product is Batman, not you are Batman and your product is Robin. You should put all the energy, all the emphasis, everything that is great of your product. Because people don't want to know how many things do you have done, if you have a degree, if you have other stuff, if you work. Sure, it will matter, but the important thing is that your product is great and will help them to solve their problem. For example, the website, the person and the people on the business should know that my websites are created to make them do more sales and give them the right things, not that I am good to create the website. The important thing is that your product is, you should sell your product, not yourself. The second point is arrive at the meeting in time. It's pretty basic, but it's really important that you should arrive in at the right time or a little bit before, so you can see exactly how is the room for the presentation, or you can meet some people around the company and start introducing yourself to other people and start preparing everything. So when the boss or the person that you should speak arrives, you are already have done everything and you are ready to prepare your presentation of the product. The third point is to dress well, because this is good for you, because it gives more self-esteem, and it is good for the client because it see that you are serious. They see you in a little bit higher status, not too much. I am not saying that you should wear fancy belt, Gucci belt or a Rolex to make a good meeting in business. But if you are with a shirt, some pair of jeans, good jeans, or some pants, some good stuff, you will be good. The third point is do research about your client, because I personally I don't like, and I found that it's not the best thing, go to a client without knowing things about the project. I have done this about 2 times, and you will come with less energy, a little bit maybe of fear and suspicious, because you don't know what you will see and if you can do the project. But if you already know the project some days before, you can do some search, create something to show them that you are really acknowledge about this project and this type of work. And the fifth and last thing, it's create and prepare a little plan. As I said before, once you know exactly what the clients want, you should in advance create a plan, an idea of your project. So once you come to the meeting, you already have something in your hand, you can expose them. And this will show that you are really proactive and will show that you know what you are talking about. You know how to help your client, and the important thing is that you can short your time, because with doing this, you the next meeting will do on the setup of the project. It's not another meeting about speaking on the idea of the project. So this for this video, it was everything. If you liked and get some value, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.